Alright, ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. It's a day of me doing episodes of reviews of Taiwanese instant noodles. This next one is going to be one that Little Couples of Taiwan, Little Couples Dry Noodles sent me. This is their chicken rice flavored dry noodle. And it's a collaboration with Little Couples and what is it called? Prince Hotel. So yeah, let's give it a try. And here you get a few of these in the big multi-pack. Multi-pack. Okay, come on, work with me here. These are air-dried noodles from Taiwan, most likely from, yeah, these are from a factory. And they use big rooms. They like to have drying rooms, and they also have like industrial fans in rooms where they just have racks of these and they just dry them out. I have seen it with mine own eyes, ladies and gentlemen, and it's a wonderful, wonderful thing. And the smell there is freaking yes. I miss it. When all this crazy business is over, bring me back to Taiwan. Somebody, please. Bring my whole family. I want them to enjoy the wonders that are the beautiful island of Taiwan. My God. It's so cool there. I mean, it's warm, but it's really neat. I love Taiwan. I freaking love Taiwan. Taiwan #1. Anyways, speaking of Taiwan, here's a guy who originally came from Taiwan, Momofuku Ando, the inventor of the don't boil over instant noodle. And this book is a bunch of quotes from him. So, number 19. However excellent an idea may be, it is of no use to anyone unless it is in step with the times. Okay. What was I gonna show you today? This takes a couple. Oh yeah. So I've got T-Mobile for my phone service, and they had this deal, and you get T-Mobile Tuesdays. They like try to ply you with all these coupons and sign you up for other junk. Well, they got me on one of them. There's this photo gifts and photo books and photo tiles and all this stuff, and it's like it's pretty cheap. They're like, you get it for free, but it's like they bake it into the shipping, but it's really not expensive, honestly. And it's like you can do it all from your phone, and you can make books. And so every month I make a new book. Here's the one for June? May. Tell me it's May. It's gonna be, wait, there we go. Yeah, it's gonna be May. It's gonna be May. And right now it's June, and I just made a new one, and I ordered it today. So yeah, this is a shot of one of the noodles I did. Here's some noodles I did last month. There's me looking all like, ugh. What else? There's me looking all, and Miles looking all, and me like, what the heck? And there's my desk. That's where all the other stuff that's not cooking is done. It's like a show and share. There's Miles in the car, and that's the tunnel. That's one of the tunnels. That's the first tunnel. There's another tunnel that looks identical to it. This is the trail that I go up and down when I go out walking. It's a rail trail, so it used to be a rail line, and it is no more. There is our good friend, the Holy Slicer, and Mimi. And some more noodle pictures. I usually just do pictures of the kids, but there have been a couple of noodle pictures that I like doing still lifes of how shopping carts end up. sometimes there's just like some weird things that I see when I'm out walking, and this was one of them. It's like they're having a conversation. I don't know. And Miles is losing teeth. He's 5. And here's when I got the holy slicer. Don't put your finger in there. Not unless you want some really thin finger garnish. And there's the box that came in. And I take a lot of vitamins, but sometimes I get 2 bottles of the same one, so I'm just calling this one Animal Bits so I don't open the second one early. And the kiddos. And my cleaver, my delete and remove photo from the group. Here's when I got my COVID shot, my second one. Holy slicer! I made that. I was just so stoked when I got this thing. There's the same picture that's on the cover, but not all chopped up. The app that they have for this thing isn't always the greatest. This is Prima Taste Locks with the onions or the spring onion on it, yeah. And yeah, so it's like you get 20 pictures in a book, and you can, you know, do up the cover and the back cover. It ends up being like 10, 12 bucks. It's cool though. I've got like 4 of these now, and I just like doing them every month. It's kind of cool. Little thing to keep, a keepsake thing, which works for me and the family. The whole family enjoys. So yeah, there you go. But yeah, the weather's been insane. It's been like sunny and then cloudy and then sunny and then cloudy and sunny and cloudy. Very Washington right now. But it's not bad. I went out this morning. I did sleep in again. I got up like at 5 and I like rushed and got out the door. And so there we go. So yes, y'all. Time for noodles. And let's drain these. More noodles for Mimi to try in a few minutes. Again, I love this style of Taiwanese dry noodle because they're like, these aren't my absolute favorite, but they're pretty darn close. These have like a thicker vein down the middle and that like little thin wing flaps on the sides. And they're good. They are real good. But yeah. Cut this sucker open. When it said it was chicken rice flavor, the first thing that comes to mind for me is Hainanese chicken rice, which is a big popular eat over in Malaysia, but that's cold chicken over rice. This is not, so I don't know. We will give it a try, see how it is. We got maybe some like onion or garlic. No, maybe garlic. It's like a seasoned oil. And this, I believe, is fried shallot. Like to say in this house, mixa. Kids like saying that. I like saying it. It's a fun thing to say. And you know, the original bowl I was going to use for this, I'm thinking twice about it because it's really wide. I'm going to use a different bowl. Um. Here we go. Pardon if my gut flew out. Let me. What am I doing? What am I doing? I gotta try this stuff first. Beautimous. Lovely. Oh, it smells good, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the right one. See that? It's got like a scalloped edge on it. And that edge is thinner than the center. Just super awesome stuff. Mmm. That's quite good. Wow. I'm aghast. That is wondrous stuff. Although, hard to get this shallot out of here. The shallot ends up a little bit, it's still crisp, but it's a little bit almost gooey. So it's got like this sticky kind of sugary, it's good. It's good. Let's do our onionation. Want that pasta in there. We had a jumper. Sometimes that happens. Sometimes I don't know. I don't even know how to read the instructions for this slicer deal. But it works dang well. Wow, it's already 1:30. I am way behind today. That's okay though. I'm having a good day. But I don't know if I'm going to make 30,000 steps today. And that does not make me happy. So yeah, I talked to this guy, and his name is Peter from Baltimore. And he enlightened me to using, I don't know, what do you call it? Whoa! Fishing line to slice these beautiful eggs that my wife makes. So I'm going to go out this afternoon, grab myself my daily Wonder Beer and possibly some fishing line if I can find some in town. Maybe Rite Aid will have it. I hope so. You know, you can count on Rite Aids to have their products. I'm only calling it Rite Aids, like plural, because they called it that on The Sopranos, okay? Look it up, look it up. And there's some baked chicken. Use a little salt and saffron combo. I'm going to also add some of this. This is a mala sauce. like a good pairing for the chicken. It's quite nice. We are there. We've arrived, ladies and gentlemen. We've arrived in flavor country. Yeah. All right. Welcome. The weather here is nice. It's flavorful. And it's groovy. We got one more. It's already 1:30. Holy crap. I got stuff to do now. Mom's Dry Noodle. This is from Taiwan. Now this is their red braised beef noodle soup. You can catch it tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.